Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold dropped 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The euro got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Wall Street's main indexes rose in volatile trading as investors awaited new economic data and comments from Federal Reserve officials for more clarity on monetary policy. Megacaps Apple and Microsoft rose 2.8% and 1.58% respectively, in a rebound from early losses. Tether is introducing a gold-backed stablecoin pegged to the United States dollar. It is the first tethered asset, the issuer declared. The new coin is called Alloy and is mintable on the new Alloy by Tether platform. Shares of GameStop tumbled after CEO Ryan Cohen told investors that the video game retailer plans to operate a smaller network of stores, but did not provide details on what it intends to do with its cash pile.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Germany's ZEW survey, Current Situation, will be released at 9 GMT. Japan's exports at 23:50 GMT. The US retail sales at 12:30 GMT. Australia's RBA interest rate decision will be released at 4:30 GMT. Australia's RBA rate statement at 4:30 GMT. The Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting at 7 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.